Hi everybody, this is Sisto and company for another apartment visit. So I'm beginning this visit by showing you the view that you get from the balcony of this apartment on one of the different lakes of Hanoi. This is a balcony, little one, but very comfortable. So let's go inside. This is the living room with a giant sofa, with a television, Wi-Fi connection, up to this ventilation. There is also on this side air conditioning, very important during the summertime. So let's continue by the kitchen. As you can see, there is a washing machine, a big fridge, many furnitures were providing, like cutlery or plate, glass, boiler. There is a table when you can eat on it. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the corridor. And the bathroom. Alright, so let's continue by the first room. Very simple. Then the second room with a giant bed, 2 places. With many lights you can go in this room. With big windows, there is a desk, big commodities to put your clothes or whatever you want. Security box. So we can say the apartment is very comfortable because it's close to a lake. There are many places. And also one more thing that I forget. It's to show you that you can arrive directly by an elevator. So that's it for this apartment. Thank you. Bye bye.